Bonjour, Innovation. This is Mr. Roussel, Principal of College Prep. Today is Thursday, August 27th, 2020. If you haven't had an opportunity yet to take a look at Mr. Roussel's space, you can see that he graduated from the University of New Orleans, is a big fan of Super Mario Brothers and Luigi, and has read and loves Bud Not Buddy and Ramayana, as well as some of the other books you guys are reading in your English classes. And yes, the answer to your question is yes, Mr. Roussel is wearing the exact same shirt from yesterday. I mean, not the same shirt. I washed them. Let's go ahead and stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, in one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. You may be seated. Our quote of the day comes from Maya Angelou. She says, if you're always trying to be normal, you'll never know how amazing you can be. Let's see what's for lunch today. On the menu, there's breakfast, cereal with a cracker pack. Ooh, a calzone with zesty lemon broccoli. Sounds delicious. Our core value of the week is still giving it 100% every day. You can do that if you finish early and ask anyone if they need help. Remember, teaching helps you learn. As always, rise to the occasion. Have a nice day.